Hello students, welcome to Quick and Digital Teaching System. I am your maths teacher and today we are learning Countdown 2. So before we start our topic, I would like to advise few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefits from Quick and Digital Learning. So like and subscribe to our school channel so don't miss any video. May watch multiple times video till find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question is write the number that comes. So write the number that comes, we can divide it into three categories: before, after, and between. So let's discuss before category. So in before category, simply we can write the counting. We can write the number that comes before the number. So question number one we have 5, 6, 4, and 8. So last two digits are 48. So simply we can write one number before 48. So one number before 48 is 47. So we can write the number that comes before 5, 6, 4, 8, that 5, 6, 4, and 7. Next part of this question 3, 2, 7, 5. So simply we can write subtract 1 from this above question. So we have answered 3, 2, 7, and 4. Number C part is 1093. So simply we can write number that comes before 1093. So we have answer 1092. Number D part is 999 and 8. So last two digits are 98. So simply we can write 97. So solution is 999 and 7. So next question is 4601. So last two digits are 1, so we can convert it into 000. So our solution is 4600. So next part of this question is 63671. So simply we can write 63670. Next category of write the number that comes is after category. So in after category we can simply add 1 to the given number. So our first number is 6999. So simply we can add 1. So the number that comes after category is 7000. Number B part is 4642. So our last two digits are 42. So simply we can add the 1. So our solution is 43. So simply we can write 8643. Next part of this question 5487. So again we can add 1. So our answer is 5488. Number D part is 3199. So double nine we can add 1. So that comes into 100. So our solution is 3200. Number E part is 2849. So simply we can add 1 to 49. Then it comes to 50. Our solution is 2850. Our F part is 81027. So we can add 1. So our solution is 81022. Number third and last category of write the number that comes is between. So in this category we can write the between number of first and last number. So our question number one is 8320. So we can write the after number of 8320 and before number of 8322. So our solution is 8321. Number B part same as it is, we can write the before number of 9660 and after number of 9658. So our solution is 9659. Number C part is 1009 dash 1011. So again we can write the after number of 1009 and before number of 1011. So our solution is 1010. Number D part is 4306 and 4308. So simply we can write the between number. The between number is 4307. Number E part is 499 and 9 and dash 5001. So simply we can write the before number of 5001. So our solution is 5000. Number F and last part is 36249 dash 36251. So again we can write that after number of 36249 and before number of 36251. So our solution is 36250. So students, hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and write the answer in your summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning project as 10 marks included in the final term assessment. Hope to see you in next topic. Thank you.